Hello everybody, just want to share we added a new toy tool to the shop, and this is the Crafted Elements trim router sled. We built a little bit more vertical capacity into this thing, but I think the width is about 28 inches that it can do, 27-ish, something like that, and about 32 inches long. And we built on a couple of risers, so we added 1.5 inches to the 2-inch height, so we can get boards up to about 3.5 inches for flattening. So it's built on a 3/4 inch plywood platform. We actually put some 2-inch feet on it to flatten it out because the wood had just a little bit of a twist to it. So it is pretty much dead flat, which is important for this kind of work. So obviously it moves this way, a little long. You can also, of course, move this way and flatten boards out. So really high quality components in the Crafted Elements kit. I was really impressed as I put this together. Not terribly difficult to build and put together and install. The video on Crafted Elements is great, so if you want to check it out, please do. But we've got new toys, folks. We can build bigger and bigger stuff. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.